Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Construction progress as of January 2026. Curtain walls and seat installation progress. You can see from outside what China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company has done so far concerning shield flag installation progress. I want to take you inside. You see seat installation progress as of January 2026. You can see from outside how these shield flags are. The inspiration of these shield flags comes from Masailand, and you can see what I'm talking about. The progress of this shield flag installation on Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company credit. They are doing a great job. You can see the exterior for yourself, how beautiful it is. You can see for yourself what I'm talking about. I want to take you inside. You see seat installation progress as of January 2026. This is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Construction progress ahead of AFCON 2027, Africa Cup of Nations 2027. Let's get in and see what they have done on the seat installation progress, and this is what I'm talking about. One color, which is light blue. Is this light blue or what? Give your opinion on the comments section. You can see what China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company has done so far on seat installation. You can see for yourself what they are doing. If you're new here, like the video and subscribe, and let's keep enjoying this video. You can see for yourself men at work. You can clearly see this is the latest update on January 2026 concerning Talanta Stadium construction progress ahead of AFCON 2027. You can see the stadium is almost complete. You can see for yourself what they have done so far. Let's give them credit. They are doing a great job. You can clearly see for yourself what has been done. When you compare Talanta Stadium seat installation and what has been installed on Oima City Stadium, do you think Oima City Stadium has more beautiful seats compared to what is being installed on Talanta Stadium right now? Give your opinions on the comment section. And here is where they install the seats. You can see the points where they install the seats. You can see for yourself where these seats are. You can see for yourself where these seats are being installed. You can clearly see this stadium is being constructed on Jamhuri grounds along Kong Road near Dagoret Corner, 10 kilometers west of Nairobi CBD, Central Business District. This project began back in 31st March 2024 under a public-private partnership, and the contractors are China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company under the supervision of KDF. And this project is expected to be complete by this year 2026, as Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya is going to host AFCON 2027, Africa Cup of Nations. You can see this is where they install the seats. You can clearly see for yourself. You can see the points where they put the seats. I want to show you a closer view of these seats be installed on Talanta Stadium, how they look like when you are very close, and this is what I'm talking about. This is the seat installation progress in Talanta Stadium, and when you're close, this is what you see. This is what you see. Do you think these seats are better than what has been installed on Oima City Stadium in Uganda? Or do you think Oima City Stadium seats are more better than what is being installed on Talanta Stadium? Give your opinions on the comment section. You can see what China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company are doing. Let's give them credit. They are doing a great job. Only a small percentage, and we say this stadium is fully complete to host AFCON 2027. And you can see for yourself what I'm talking about. The seat view at a close point. You can see for yourself. This is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Seat installation progress and shield flag installation as of January 2026.